How do successful businesses understand their client needs? Understanding client needs is fundamental to sales success. A failure in this area can lead to offering irrelevant or inadequate solutions, thereby reducing the chances of sales conversion. According to Forrester, a leading customer research company, 77% of executive buyers claim that salespeople don't understand their issues and where they can help. This disconnect is because of inadequate research, poor listening skills, and a lack of empathetic engagement with the client. It can often be attributed to a series of interconnected issues primarily rooted in the lack of effective relationship building. This deficiency leads to a failure in understanding client needs, which in turn results in poor needs assessment and a misalignment with client goals. To systematically address these issues, it's essential to break down each element, understand its implications, and explore targeted solutions. To help businesses effectively understand client needs, we can use the client framework, which stands for communicate and build relationships, listen and learn, improve need assessment, enhance alignment, nurture and adapt, and track and measure. This framework provides actionable strategies to address the challenges in understanding client needs and enhancing sales success. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at How Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.